So as you know, ordinary charging cable, you have to use a wire tie to tie them up to make it neat. And with this one, you don't need to worry about it. So let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the new product. Magnetic charging data cable, mini size, portable, magnetic self-winding, neat and tidy charging. So this one is the Type C to Type C, and this one is the Type A to Lightning charging for iPhones. This is for the new latest iPhones. And this one is the blue color, 1.5 meter. And this one is the black color, not sure how many meter. It says we are using the most simple pack to save the planet. It is made in China. So this one up to 60 watts. And they have a patent number on here. Wow, pretty neat. And you could wind it in different sizes. Wow, look at that. So strong. Pick up all the paper clip. So imagine you carry this, you don't have a bag, no problem. You could wrap around your wrist. And carry with you. You can make it smaller. Nice. Let's go and then check out the quality. So this is not gonna frail or rip like the original Apple cable. So let's show you guys the difference. Black and blue color. USB Type C to USB Type C. Let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna plug in my Note 20. It says 8 minutes until fully charged. So yeah, it is a fast charging cable. So the blue one is 1.5 meter. So the black one is shorter. Must be the 1 meter. They also have the 2 meters, which is longer. You see all the cable with all this clutterness compared to this neat and easy to carry around. We are plugging in right now to charge. Very easy.